What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today I want to do a ultimate glowy skin, kind of overall glowy skin look and everything like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You won't regret it. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with this ultimate glow because I'm ready to put some makeup on this face. So let's get started. Okay, first things first is to take off these glasses. And now I can't see a squat. I decided to not put any contacts on or anything like that. I'm probably gonna regret that, but it's whatever. So for the ultimate glow, I want to start off with this product from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I have the shade 4 medium. And y'all, I love to put this all over my face. I love this stuff so much. It just, like, literally you can wear this without foundation on top, or you can wear it under and even on top of your foundation. So you can wear it whichever way and stuff. So today I'm gonna put it all over my face and all over my face because I want everything to just look nice and hydrated and stuff with my foundation. So I did prep my skin earlier this morning. I used what I got my BoxyCharm, this QMS. It is intensive eye care. I'm really loving using that at night and in the morning for my eyes. And then also what I got at my BoxyCharm or BoxyLux, I think it was, is the M. Green Grass, this dry oil spray. It's multi-use for body, face, and hair, and I've been using it for my face because my skin has been like somewhat dry and stuff. So I'll go ahead and spray that in my hand, and I just love to pat it and stuff in my skin. And I've been loving using that morning and nighttime and stuff. So that's been helping. I feel like that's been kind of helping my skin out and everything. So yeah, just go ahead and blend this. And I'm using like this type of brush right here. And sorry, I have to get so freaking close to the mirror because I don't have any contacts in. And of course I can't do this with my glasses on. So that's what it is. Okay. And next I'm gonna use maybe a dewy foundation. I think I might mix two foundations probably. So let's go ahead and see what concoction I want to use, and maybe use something that I haven't used in quite a while. So let's get foundation. Today I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 7.5, and then I'm going to mix it with the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation in 3N 1.5 Latte. So let's go ahead and go in with this one first. And I'm just going to apply this to my skin. This stuff is so good. I feel like I just really haven't used it in so long. And then I'm going to take the Giorgio Armani around my perimeter of my face, because this is a little bit darker. I'm taking my It Cosmetics brush in number 132. It's a dual-ended brush, and I'm just gonna stamp this foundation all over my skin. Okay, I think I blended this to filth. I gotta check because I gotta get up close because I can't see. Next thing I'm gonna take is my 805 Call Me Maple Cream Contour Stick right here. So just gonna cream contour that, and then I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place in shade or number 20. And this one is a lighter shade, but we'll blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics brush in number 6, and I'm gonna blend this cream contour on out. Usually I use like a bigger brush, but I kind of just want to try this brush out. Kind of focus this where I want it to be at. My hands are probably a little bit lighter than my face. I kind of want to be darker than what I am. I can't wait to like get in the sun and get like a tan. I tan pretty fast and stuff. It's just when I was pregnant last year for like the summer and stuff, I could not stand being in the freaking sun. I was not having it. I just feel like I could not breathe. That's what it felt like, to be honest. Yeah, that's what it felt like, and I wasn't having it. I was like, no. Okay, let's blend out. I'm gonna go back in with my IT Cosmetics 132 brush and blend this on out. Okay, really quick, I'm gonna set my face in under my eyes real quick. So pretty much you want to set where you don't want it to be as like dewy or anything like that, like underneath your eyes. If you don't want it to be like too hydrated or anything like that, you want to keep the apple of your cheeks looking nice and just kind of dewy and glowy and stuff. So I'm just focusing this underneath my eyes, kind of on the sides of my nose. Okay, next thing for my eyes, I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm going to go back in with the Flawless Filter, and I'm actually going to put this on my eyelids, and I'm going to apply this to my lids. And I'm going to take my ring finger, and I'm just going to pat this in. And all over the lid. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my highlighting brush and my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I'm gonna kind of go over the lid to pretty much set it, because this is a liquid. It does dry down quite a bit, like a little bit, but it's nothing like extreme where it like dries down a lot. Okay, and yes, you could use this for your face, but I've been loving putting this again over on top of my foundation. I just love the way it makes my skin look just radiant and everything. But like so far the skin is looking really nice. So I'm just gonna put this on my high points. On my nose, chin. Okay. Make sure we close this up because I don't want to lose none of that, because that for me is pricey. It's like 40 something bucks, I want to say. I mean, it's worth every penny and stuff, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to like lose any product or anything like that. So if you have oily skin, this might not be for you, because for me, I don't really set this that much. I'm sure there are ways like you can have your dewy skin without being like oily, which like going in with powders and like the highlighting and everything, but this is how I like to wear it on my skin type. I pretty much have Sometimes I have a combo. So I'm like in between sometimes. It just depends, like, I guess on the weather and everything. So yeah, it just depends on the weather for me. I'm like beating my head on my ring finger, making sure this is all blended out. And I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna try this Pretty Vulgar mascara. I've never tried this out, but I did get it in my BoxyCharm. So let's try this on out. My lash extensions all came out finally and stuff, which is a sad day because I actually love having lash extensions. It's just so easy, and like you don't really need to do your makeup or anything like that if you don't want to. And I feel like I just feel so much better with having them on. So I need to get those done again. Okay, so I grabbed my MAC lipstick. I'm pretty sure this is Peach Stock. I still have foundation on my lips, so I could just put lip gloss over it, but I'm gonna give it a little more of a tint. And then I'm gonna go in with my over-the-top gloss from Dose of Colors. This is what that looks like. Pretty packaging. Love this gloss. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. It's really fast. If you don't have to mix your foundations like I did, but I like mixing stuff, and I like the way it turned out on my skin and everything. My skin looks very dewy, which is the ultimate glow. I feel like this is my version of using the products that I love for this skin. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you like this look? How do we feel? Would you rock this? I for sure would rock this, but yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Is there other products out there that you love for your ultimate glow? Let me know. Make sure you give this video a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it and everything. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.